Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adrienne. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I post weekly. This week's video is an art project, and I call it brown paper bag art because I had a lot of it. I've had a lot of it during COVID. I've had brown boxes and paper bags, and I thought, what can I do with this? I don't want to waste it, and you reuse what you can. So anyway, let's get right to it. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy this. Now, you could pretty much design anything that you would like. My first one, which you will see pictures of, was a wave, kind of a contemporary take on an ocean wave. I will put it in and you'll see that. And I have given it away since I gifted it. And then like this one is kind of flower inspired, kind of hydrangea. I was originally thinking about making it really small pieces of art so it was wearable jewelry, but I started out a little bit too big. I will get back to it. I think what I originally thought about would be a really good idea. I've never done a self-portrait, and I've had one in progress. Okay, I'm still working on it. But as you can see, the brown paper bag, you see the effect there. This one I think I'm going to stain as opposed to painting and sealing like that, because I think it will look like leather. All you use, again, torn up pieces of brown paper bag, a mixture of glue and water, and that's it. I first cover my base, which I've done here, and then as you can see, these, just you put a strip in the glue. Gets kind of messy. You could wear like plastic gloves if you wanted. And I make it so that it's more pliable, easy to shape. And you just press it down on it, and I pinch it so that I can shape it and put it down, and then just work it into whatever shape you want. And that would be an example of the start of a wave. And I would just tear the end off, stick it down on it, and I'd let it dry. As you can see, I added a couple more strips, and they have dried, and the wave is forming. You would just continue, and you can use your imagination on the shape that you want, the design that you want. It's open field. Then all that's left to do is finish it. Let it dry, paint it up. I did create a lot of detail with my paint, with like the foam on the wave. So be creative, really. Shadow, layer, it's yours. It's yours. It's an original design that you came up with, you conceived from brown paper bags, cardboard boxes, and glue. A little paint. I did clear coat mine after. I was thinking it would be easier to clean with all the crevices and so forth. And then I mounted it as a gift. You can do anything that you'd like, depending on what size you make it. And that is only limited by your imagination. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked that video and it inspired you to maybe create a little piece of your own art from freebie bags and boxes, which you can cut these out of, if I didn't mention, boxes, cardboard, foam board, anything pretty much. Please come back and visit again. I thank you again for being here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have, thank you very much. Feel free to comment. And until next week, stay safe, stay healthy out there. See you then.